Hello YouTube and welcome to Mama Janie's Mexican Journey. Today I'm going to do something that's a little different than my usual content. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. So let me tell you why this became necessary for me to get this package in the first place. Last year I went on vacation, and while I was there I noticed that one of my AirPods was missing. And I never realized how dependent I had got on these things. Even as an older user, I found that I use them practically all the time. And so something was missing from my life. My husband convinced me that I should order myself a new pair. But this time, he convinced me also to order the AirPod Pro. So today we're going to look at the unboxing and see exactly what they look like. So it comes in this box, and it's coming all the way from California in the United States of America, and it's coming to me here in Mexico as I continue my journey into my little codo where I live. And here it is that we're going to unbox this thing. It's a snug little box. I kind of pre-opened it before we started because this thing was in here tight. So here we go. Bear with me. Oh, there we go. And here we go. The AirPod Pro. But still, I need a pair of scissors. Just snip it loose. Let's do this up. So I finally got it wrestled from the box. So here's the front. And here's the back. And the top. AirPod Pro. I'm going to love these, I can tell. This part is easier because it comes with a take-off tab, and so I'm just going to lift it off. And now we have another box. I'm not sure what this is all about. We'll look at that. But look at this, will you? I had them engrave it for me so that I wouldn't mix it up with anybody else's, and it was personalized. Jennifer. So we want to see what else is in the box. This thing I had a question about at the beginning, just instructions. And under all of this is, get out of there, my charging cables. I'm gonna need those. And then we have adjustables. These are for making the adjustments so that they fit snugly in the air. So this is all that came with the whole setup, and I can actually say that I'm pleased with it. It's a different design from the original AirPod that I had. And so I think I'm going to enjoy using them. But before we close, there's one other thing I want to show you. My husband got me a surprise. It's this thing. These are the air clips that go along with the AirPod to make it that I never lose them again, if that's at all possible. Well, we'll give it a try. Now let's see what they look like. This is almost like a mini unboxing, isn't it? These things are like this, and they fit over the ear, and the iPod fits in these holes to make it secure. So I'm really going to enjoy using these. So thank you very much for watching, And don't forget YouTube to like, subscribe, and to share. I'm going to enjoy this. Bye.